Hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your support. So in today's video, we are going to discuss 7 ways to make passive income on YouTube. And I'll be sharing practical ideas to help you make money on YouTube while enjoying what you do. So if you're ready, let's get started. YouTubers and content creators usually invest a lot of time and effort and resources to create valuable content to their fans and audiences. It makes sense to get financially compensated for this time and resources that we invest in creating content, and that was the whole idea of this video. So we are going to explore 7 ways which we can make passive income from our YouTube channels. And passive income is a way for us, or a way for you as a content creator to actually make money on your channel. It is a way for you as a content creator to make income online without having to always be actively working on your YouTube channel. That means that I can create this video today, and if it is monetized, for as long as this video is going to be on YouTube, I'm going to be getting referrals to my products. Ads are going to be playing on the video. I'll be maybe asking members to make donations if they consider that. I'll be making some money even when I am not actively working on the same video. So I create one video once, I share it with a lot of people. So as many people see it, then that will have increased my chances of maybe selling products or serving ads or getting donations or selling courses to them. So let's get started with the 7 ways to make passive income from our YouTube channels. Number 1 in the list is affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? I'll describe affiliate marketing as a business arrangement in which you as a content creator partners with a merchant who has digital products. We are assuming that at this point you do not have your own products. You start promoting their products, and you promote their products using a unique link that identifies you on their platform. So when you share this link with your audience and they make a purchase through the link, you get paid a percentage, which is like a commission, and it is based on your agreements with the merchant that you are promoting their products. So let's say I have someone is selling courses, and I sign up on their website as an affiliate. I promote this to my audience. If someone is interested and they see value in this course and they want to buy, they click on the link that I've shared with them. So this merchant agreed to, let's say, give me 30% of what the customer is going to pay. So if the customer pays, the purchase is successful, I'll get that percent of the amount that they have paid to the merchant. You can look for people that are creating products that are related to the content that you make on YouTube. Visit their websites, go maybe to the footer, try to see if you can see anything related to affiliates or anything that is related to them welcoming people to sign up as affiliates. Then you are going to see the terms and conditions that you have to agree to. You create an account, you start sharing these links with your fans online. Amazon.com runs such a program. So if there are products that are related to the content that you make, it can be a good platform for you to start experimenting with affiliate marketing. Number 2 is selling digital products. And digital products can be anything. They can be electronic books, they can be PDF recipes, they can be architectural and engineering plan sets, they can be worksheets, they can be spreadsheets, they can be starter kits, they can be basically anything, software file that you can sell online. The good thing with digital products is that you do not need physical storage space, or you do not need to physically ship or transport these product when a customer buys it to their location. What happens is you have a soft copy of the product, you upload it maybe on your website, you list it as a product, or another website that can allow you to sell digital products such as gumroad.com. I would recommend gumroad.com if you do not have your own website. So when a customer finds your product through the links you are going to share in the video descriptions of your content, then they pay, immediately they get access to the product. They're able to just download it from there if it is a book. In that moment, if they want to start reading the book, they can start reading the book. So an advantage with digital products is the same as creating video content or courses, is that you get to invest time right now only once to create just one, let's say an ebook. But then when you upload it online, you can have as many people buy the same copy of the book without you having to reprint or do any other active work. So this product is selling as much as you promote it, and then it's earning you money. You only create it once and sell to as many people as you can. So these are good way of making passive income. So you can look at what is the type of content that you create and what would be the best digital product for you to create and share with your audience. If, let's say, you have a YouTube channel where you share cooking related videos, you can maybe, for example, create like a PDF recipe of one of your favorite dishes or one of these meals that you've seen the videos perform so well, and then you can share that with your audience and ask them, yeah, this is something valuable that I have created, a step-by-step guide on how to do X, Y, and Z. If you want to get access to this is the link to my website. You can buy it here. And that works very well. I've tried that on my other YouTube channel that I'm creating architectural related videos. Number 3 is teaching online courses. So you're creating content on YouTube, yes. And I know YouTube is a very good platform for you to build an audience first. And when you build an audience and you want to have premium content, best of the best, that you've given the best of your research and the best of your efforts in creating this. And I think this professional knowledge, then you can package it into a video course with PDF resources, downloadable resources, and then share it with your audience. But then you share it behind a paywall. There are platforms such as Udemy, Skillshare, Tutorials Point, Teachable, Kajabi, Masterclass.com, among others. Something that you can try, and definitely going to be an additional to your passive income portfolio. We also have donations, and donations work this way. Remember, this channel that you have created, you are giving out free content, very helpful content. And along the way, you get subscribers. Some of these subscribers become your super fans. Yeah, you'll be surprised if you ask them to make a financial contribution to your channel. They would be very happy to make these voluntary donations, as much as you do not restrict it to that, like you have to contribute X amount or this. Make it flexible. Just make sure you are giving them a way to make these donations online. You can create a paypal.me link or create Patreon membership tiers, or you can experiment with buy me coffee donation links. Or as long as you create value and you have something that is going to act as an incentive for them to support your mission, you'll be surprised. Some people might be having some super fans who are very excited to see you continue with this good work that you are doing on YouTube. Google AdSense comes here as number 6. And Google AdSense only works if you allow Google to serve ads on your videos. And this is possible only if you have joined the YouTube Partner Program. YouTube Partner Program is, it's basically a program that Google runs, and it connects businesses, or which in this case would be the advertisers, with content creators who are creating content and publishing this content on YouTube. So YouTube is going to collect money from these advertisers, and then it is going to show ads on your videos based on a few things, like your audience demographics. What are they interested in watching? What this content that you are creating, is it related to the businesses that are being promoted by these ads that these advertisers are paying for? So when they serve ads on your videos, at the end of the month, they are going to calculate the earnings that your videos have made. So they're going to take a percentage from that and pay you. But then for you to be accepted to the YouTube Partner Program, there are some minimum requirements. You are required to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel, and either 4,000 public watch hours on your normal videos, or 10 million valid public shorts views. So those are the requirements. But then if you met these requirements, you can go to your YouTube studio. You will see the tab that is indicated Earn. From there, you can click on that and navigate to see the YouTube Partner Program requirements, and click to ask to be enrolled to that program. So Google AdSense now is the way you get paid. That money collects on your Google AdSense account, and then at the end of the month, when the earnings have reached the minimum threshold that is required, you are going to do an international transfer to your bank account. Then you are going to be able to access your money, maybe from the ATM or in any other way that you would prefer. Number 6, we discuss super thanks, super chats, and super stickers. And these are additional channel monetization methods that YouTube has introduced to be able to support creators, so that they can give their fans and subscribers an additional way of saying thanks, supporting the creative work of the YouTubers. And this super thanks is a way of allowing your fans to just say thanks. Maybe to say thanks. And in the process of saying thanks, that is, they send something to you, they purchase the super thanks, they purchase the super chats and super stickers. These super thanks are on normal videos. And then super chats and stickers come in live streams and video premieres, something that is worth considering if you have reached the minimum requirements for your channel. Finally, we look at channel memberships, which is a way for you to allow your fans to make a monthly financial contribution to the channel. There are minimum requirements that you need to reach. So definitely go to the YouTube studio and check to see if you qualify to enable channel memberships on your YouTube channel. But then when this is enabled, you give your subscribers or anyone watching your videos a chance to join in as a member. You can join in for free on any YouTube channel as a subscriber. And then for you to become a member, there is some monthly contribution, financial contribution that you have to make based on what the owner of that channel has decided. Maybe they've given you three options that you can choose, or it's just one membership tier that you have to hop on. This works by giving access to more features and privileges to people that have joined as members on your channel. And this can be by giving them early access to your normal videos, privileges to see the behind the scenes content, or just a simple mention in your videos. Mentioning them in your videos, or having like a channel memberships page where you appreciate these people, giving them access to maybe having to chat with you if they have any questions, and things like that. And these are things that your fans would be interested to be part of. So those 7 ways can help us to monetize our content, Some would require us to meet some minimum subscriber and watch our requirements. Others we can implement from day one when we have 0 subscribers as we grow our channels. So I'm hoping this video has been valuable to you, and thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to this channel and supporting my work. Cheers.